What's happening, guys? Hello, everybody. Reza is here. I hope you have a great holiday season. Uh, One of my goals in 2025 is uploading videos, short videos talking about what's going on in the market and sharing some ideas, sharing some lessons, and um, trying to learn, right? And I focus on US stock market, SPY, small caps, option sides, and quantum basket, BTC basket, um, and everything that moves, right? Uh, so the stock that I'm gonna talk about today is HOLO, right? It's a great opportunity long on Monday, December 30, uh, and short opportunity on Tuesday, December 31, the last day of 2024. So if you look at the PR, so this company had a PR on December 30, Monday at 9 a.m. Just look at the keyword, I mean quantum basket. So now we know the quantum basket had a great move, RGTI, QUBT, etc. So if you're familiar with HOLO is in one of Chinese basket, right? HKD, HOLO, HKIT, MLGO, all of them are in the same basket, and they had huge move. If they just start move, they move. And if you are familiar with the personality of these stocks, so for me, all of the signs show that it's a great opportunity for this stock um, to be long. Specifically, when you look at it holding the revamp and building and building and building and higher low, higher low, higher low, and all of a sudden at almost 1 p.m. it's just boom, huge move from $4 to almost $8, right? For me, this is a no-brainer trade. I mean, all of the sign, again, as I said, shows it's a good long, right? For long. And how about the next day? So imagine we have this, and I'm not gonna predict, I'm gonna prepare, right? So if you're familiar with bouncing ball, um, right? Bouncing ball idea, right? Or concept. So every time the height of the bouncing ball is less because of friction, because of, I don't know, in the stock psychology of crowds, whatever. But I saw many times that, in Chinese basket, in OTCs, I saw many times. So I just want to show you 1 minute candle, right? One day for HKD, just showing the concept of bouncing ball. I mean, so you can see that every time we have bounce and huge flush, and then again and again, and every time um, the high of the move is less and less and less. So if you come back, I just want to show you also HKD, because HKD is one of the craziest moves I saw in my life. It's moved from $2 almost to $2,500, right? So just come back to HOLO. and 1 minute candle. So now on Tuesday, so we have another leg up, but here I'm gonna focus on this setup, which is really nice for shorts, right? So you can see that there's some weakness at this point, right? It checked the high of the day and then start showing weakness. So you can call it whatever you want. You can call it Elliott waves, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, or you can call it felt follow through. So whatever. But for me, this put here is a short opportunity, right? The other sign I just want to talk about is this great X account or Twitter account, right? There are a bunch of guys outside you can follow, and they just share great contents and great tweets. And one of these guys is Brian Shannon, right? So this guy wrote a lot of books. I mean, introduced or developed the idea of anchored VWAP. And on December 31 at 11:29, so almost here. I mean, almost, almost 11, right? He said there's no Santa Claus rally, right? I'm not saying that he's 100% of the time correct, and he's talking about SPY, not talking about HOLO. But when a person like this guy says there's no Santa Claus rally on the last day of 2024, so for me, it's a good sign that, okay, 70%, 80% of all the stocks follow SPY. So this is another sign, this is another confirmation that, okay, it's a great opportunity for short. And also there's another guy, I just want to show this guy, Steven Dox. Do not look at his P&L, he's crazy. Just focus on his trade, right? Just look at HOLO trade on Tuesday and look at his entry. I'm sure maybe he's thinking about the personality of HOLO. He's familiar with bouncing ball. He's familiar with Elliott waves or fair follow through or whatever, and his entries are exceptional. I mean, and also he just start covering at flush and then entering again and flush again. So this is a great trade just to learn, right? Another guy is Godfather. He's an one of IU member, and one lesson from him, he just focused on the other name, right? MLGO, and he said decent setup is looking left on highs. Once VWAP gave up, steady roll, rinse, repeat, right? So this is maybe another lesson. If you are not comfortable with the follower of the move, like HOLO, for whatever reason, maybe the shares are not available, maybe you are more comfortable with the different price range or less risk, you can focus on the other names of the basket, right? And again, his trade his entry is amazing, and he just covered and flush at almost 1 p.m. maybe. Yeah, this is my first YouTube video for 2025. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you have a great weekend. Please share and comment, and thank you for watching.